Speaking with Sid Cato, who is the Chief Executive Officer of the company is called 3PL Systems Incorporated in Southern California. And we're also speaking with Cameron Robertson, who is the Chief Technology Officer. The topic for today is the technology stack and how the technology stack makes your life easier. And so my first question is, what is the technology stack?
Hey, Dustin, this is Cameron. Great question. So imagine a house. Prior to building a sturdy house, you need to lay down the foundation. So before you actually put carpet in the house or paint the house, you need to have a very solid foundation. So with the technology stack, what it really is the underlying layers that actually run your software. That could be the frameworks, the software languages, the servers, the database, and basically what your application is designed around. So essentially, the technology stack is all of the technologies that work together to bring you the end product. For an example, Skype or Facebook.
And why is it important?
The big reason technology stacks are important, especially to businesses, to the untrained person, they may not really take a look deeply into the technology stack when selecting a software. However, to someone who's trained in regards to technology stacks, the reason why they're going to look at the underlying technology that's running the software is because with a good technology stack, it allows your business to scale easily, and it also helps with stability of the business. Another thing that is very important about technology stacks is each technology stack, and there's many out there, some of them have deficiencies, others have efficiencies, depending on what type of business you're running. So secondly, specific products may rely on different technology stacks in order to be successful. For example, iOS and Android apps that run on your cell phones, that is all based on mobile application technology stacks as compared to a desktop application, which is going to be running on a technology stack that's much different than what your mobile on. Also, there's strengths and weaknesses of each. And based off those strengths and weaknesses and understanding what those are will help you actually mitigate risk for you and your business. And again, the available talent pool is another thing that has to be taken into consideration, because engineers with technology stacks and with new engineers coming into an industry, those technologies may not have a big talent pool to help you support that technology stack.
You know, Cameron, let me throw out there also is that some of the technology stacks that were out there, let's say 20 years ago, were built around mainframe technology. And some of those still exist today. So some of the things that you're going to run into is that if you are looking at an application where the technology stack, especially the back end, is still kind of a AS400 or mainframe type system, and a lot of companies have changed the user interface portion of it. When you're trying to take advantage of some of the things that we have to do today with integrating with multiple different applications, they're going to run into a problem, even though your technology looks really, really nice. It's just really the lipstick. So, Cameron, go ahead.
Sure.
And could you talk about how it makes your life easier?
Yeah, so really good question. A technology stack essentially is allowing you to run your company on a solid foundation. So if we're strictly talking about technology stacks in business, the correct technology stack, if chosen properly for your business application, it will allow the business to scale easily, and along with the software company that's providing you the service itself to react quickly. So with newer technology stacks, depending on what your application is, it allows technology companies to quickly integrate new functionality into the system as compared to old technology stacks where it could be a long life cycle before you actually see new development introduced. Yeah, so that's really the big benefit of technology stack and how it can make your life easier. Cool. Yeah. So another benefit in how technology stacks can make your life easier is the access to solid APIs. What an API does for you in your business, it allows you to integrate with other platforms to actually pull that data or push data to your customers or pull it back into your business. For example, not too long ago, one of our clients of ours had reached out to us and asked for our help integrating their client's ERP system directly into our platform. So what we did is we gave them access to an API, which is part of our technology stack, and they were able to successfully onboard their customer so that they never have to actually log in to the front end of our client's software. So instead, their customer's happy because internally they do not have to change their processes utilizing the API. And our customer's happy because it basically secures that customer now that they're integrated directly into their business. So another thing with good and well-built technology stacks is automated training. So what does that mean to an individual or a person? If you're a large company that has a lot of staff, or you have a lot of new team members coming on board that need to be trained, or even customers, directly inside of your software, you can actually have training videos, or you can have automated training where it'll actually walk you through the system while you use it. So you don't have to go on YouTube to watch a video on how to train on an application. You can actually train side by side with the software, so you know exactly how to utilize that functionality.
My final question is: can you provide us with a brief background of yourself, both of you, and your company? Maybe you could talk about how this is related to what you offer.
Sure. Sid, would you like to start?
Yeah. So I'm CEO of 3PL Systems. We've been around for about 14 years. We focus on the freight brokerage market, and the majority of our customers are freight brokers. We're starting to be pulled in by our current customer base, talking with manufacturers and shippers, and our portal really focuses on a SaaS model where we create customer portals for our customers, which eventually will go out to their customers. So, we're a small company that's been around for about 14 years, and we have a really solid customer base. And with the latest technology stack migration that we're going through right now, people are very excited about learning more about our platform, and we're signing people up pretty quickly right now. So, Cameron?
Yeah, absolutely. So I'm Cameron Robertson. I'm the Chief Technology Officer of 3PL Systems. One of my big focuses and initiatives with 3PL Systems is to introduce the newest and latest technology stack to our company and our customers for them to take advantage of. And currently, right now, we're really just focused on getting our name out there into the transportation management industry. And yeah, that's it.
And thank you both for sharing today.
Yeah, we appreciate it, Dustin. Thank you.